So, hello gentlemen, how are you all? So today I will start different types of tools used in piping system or piping. So first we have this square, L square. We call this L square. We measure right angle, parallel, we measure through the L square. This is steel ruler. This is called center punch. You can check. So we measure the center and we do like this. This is called center punch. This is called cross hammer. What do we call? This is called cross hammer. This is called ball pen hammer. This is called ball pen hammer. This is thumb bow. We measure at right angle. This is combination wrench. This is called chisel. We make in 60 degree. Now this is gap rod. While welding, we use this gap rod. This is sliding wrench. You are aware from this sliding wrench. This one is high-low gauge. This one is high-low gauge. This one is vernier caliper. This one is divider, wing divider. This one pipe cutter. We cut the pipe through pipe cutter. This one outside caliper, and this one inside caliper. This one is pipe wrench. This one is chain wrench. This one is die or threaded machine, threaded cutting machine. This one pencil grinder. This one angle grinder. This one is ratchet wrench. This one socket wrench. This one is screwdriver. This one we have a wraparound. You can check the wraparound. We measure the pipe size, then we cut in a right angle, right measurement. This one is thread line. We mark through the thread line. This one, we have this one measuring tape. We measure through the measuring tape. And last, we have this spirit level. Through spirit level, we measure 90 degree, 45 degree, 180 degree. Thank you.